So right now, New York City is bracing for its biggest snowfall in several years. In just 3 weeks into office, this will be a major test for Mayor Zohran Mamdani. Naomi Ruchim has a look at the city's plan and how New Yorkers are getting ready.
As we await the first signs of snow, sanitation workers are at the ready. More than 2,000 have already started their 12-hour shifts. Once the snow falls, they'll start with the salt, then move on to launching a major plowing operation. Hours away from what could be the biggest and coldest storm to hit New York in years, Mayor Mamdani says the city is ready.
Make no mistake, New Yorkers. The full power of this city's enormous resources are prepared, poised, and ready to be deployed.
Mamdani took that message to social media Saturday evening.
My ask to you is to avoid unnecessary travel on Sunday.
More than 700 salt spreaders are prepped to roll out. And once 2 inches of snow accumulates, 2,300 plows will follow, all to cover more than 19,000 miles of roadway. Despite the detailed planning, one major decision is still up in the air. Will there be school on Monday?
We are weighing the safety of everyone involved. We want to make sure that whatever decision we make is one where students, parents, educators will be safe.
Many New Yorkers say they will heed the mayor's call to stay home, but that requires last-minute shopping.
I was just here for last-second odds and ends. Already done most of my shopping a day or two ahead of time.
At the Trader Joe's in Flatiron, this was the scene by Saturday evening. Eggs, milk, bread, and produce entirely picked over.
It's empty. The shelves are pretty much, the fruits are gone, and bread aisle is empty.
We got everything what we needed, but everything else was empty.
And at the wine shop on the corner, the owner has his shovel in hand, facing a tough call many local businesses will have to make.
We will plan to open, but then we gauge the severeness of the storm and we decide whether staff is safe, customers are coming or not, and just make sure we're safe.
Mayor Mamdani says the final decision on New York public schools will come by noon on Sunday. And a reminder that while the city will take care of public roads and public spaces, property owners are responsible for clearing their own sidewalks. On the west side, Naomi Ruchim, CBS News, New York.